Today I'm going to be showing you how to find anybody's password, if it's your sister's or yours. It's not for anybody else's because you don't know their password. So this is a free account because I don't use it. I only use it because me and my friend, we tapped in Paul and then we got suspended for 1 day. So you put in the password, right? You click on it like that. Boom, you go into inspect. Alright, then it shows this elements. The highlighted one, you want to put in for the password text, right? You want to put in for the passwords, just for all the passwords text. All the passwords you just put in for text. And then after that, after you put in all the passwords for text, you just boom, like that. And you press enter. Text, okay, boom, okay. Enter it like that. Click on it again. Like that, boom. Oh my gosh. Click on it. Oh my gosh. Click on it. Go to inspect again. So you know how it says all text? You want to go all the way up until you find another password. So if you don't see another one, go back to this, press type. So I missed this password, press text again. See, and then it shows you your password. Then click out of it, and then there you go, guys. It's a free password, and I showed you how to use the spect element if you're trying to hack your sister or your brother or just your friends. And yeah, if so you can see the password, you just write it down on a paper or on a notepad and you just log in or you just save the password. And that's a free account, guys. You're welcome. We're unable to log you with the information provided. So after you want to do that, you write it down and then you press it again. Boom. Do that. Put the username again. And then yeah, after that, you want to reload the page and then you got the password and everything.